Welcome back, people. Listen, last night we arrived back in Canada from a lovely trip to Jamaica, and I have a whole lot of footage to share with you guys, which I will be doing over the next weeks, maybe even months ahead. So anyway, I am very proud of myself because I was able to bring in some Bombay mangoes and a whole bunch of other stuff, which is just like a taste of home. And I'm going to share that with you now just as a precursor to the videos of Jamaican underground footage. And I hope you enjoy this, and stay tuned for the videos that are coming up. Subscribe if you haven't already, share, you know the drill, comment, and put a thumbs up if you enjoy this content, and I look forward to sharing it all with you. Okay, so now to see my haul. First of all, I'm so proud that I was able to bring these in. My son was a little bit nervous. I read that you could bring them in, so I wasn't really nervous. And then they asked us this question about, have you been to a farm? Well, I hadn't. And if you had any produce. And I thought, sure, the 4 little mangoes, not harming anybody. And my daughter told me, look, the worst they'll do is throw them away. So I get to enjoy them, and oh my goodness, it's Bombay mangoes. So need I say more? And then my plants are enjoying a little rain here. So here we go. Rock cake. I'm sure that if you know exactly. So I don't know about this brand, and you know, rock cake you have to kind of eat it quickly, so this has to go down today, I think. This one got a little squished in the bag, but it's a honey bun coconut roll. And I remember when we used to get these for the kids for their lunch pan, and every now and then I would eat one, and man, they're so good. They're just soft and nice. You know, say, you have to come with Chippies, right? We went to Progressive, I think, in Montego Bay, and they didn't have Chippies, and my son was saying, only St. Mary chips, and I like them both, honestly, but Chippies is what we grew on. And a lady was beside us, and she said, sure, daughter live in North Carolina, and it's only Chippies she wants. She said, go up to Hilo. And we went to Hilo, and there we were in a nest of Chippies, so we got our Chippies. And if you watch my videos at all, you know that I'm a big fan of Solomon Gundy, and I can't get this brand here. One of my sons sent up some from Jamaica, and it was the best package I ever opened. And so I had a bottle in my fridge, but I brought 2 more because, as you know, when you put that with crackers and cheese, nothing better than that. So this is for a dear friend, and this is what she enjoys, and you can't get it here in Canada. And it's Blackwell spice Jamaican rum, and I think they made one called 007 that is pretty similar, or if not very, very close, and that was for that James Bond movie. Anyway, if she's watching this video, she knows it's for her. So, my house always has Grace Scotch bonnet sauce, right? But I found a new one, guys. They have a whole bunch of different flavors, but this one was mango, and I opened a bottle while I was there and tried it, and I really like it. It's a very strong mango flavor, but you get the Scotch bonnet same way. So I had to bring one back. You know how it go already. And yeah, we got 2 packs of this. So I like island spice, the hot Jamaican curry, and I was looking for that, and I found it, so I got that as well. But my son picked this up and said, no man, get this. So a lady was packing out the shelves, and my son, of course, had to say to her, you know, which one you use? And she said, I use a better pack, man, a good curry. But then she was looking at me holding up my hot Indian island spice, and she said, that one good too, but it's spicier. So everything has its purpose, but yeah, we got 2 packs of that, guys. So here is the other one. So we're not running out of curry powder for now. The children watching this will be like, we're coming for curry. So my son has a friend from Jamaica who asked him to bring this, and when we went to buy it, I was like, don't they have the 750 milliliter? And she said, no, just the 1 liter. I said, wow. So, and then she was like, that's the best rum cream. So, Steve, if you're watching this, it arrived for you. And here is my, I can't see it properly, the hot Indian curry. See it there? Lovely curry. I like this. So now, when I was little, we lived on a farm and they used to make Bissi tea for me. And I saw this and I was like, let me take this back and make my children taste Bissi tea. So it's made with the cola nut, and it should be interesting to hear what they think about it. And I have to kind of look and see how best to make it. And if you have any ideas, I mean, this is, I think, a tea bag. So please, I would welcome any kind of addition to the tea bag to make it nice. Please let me know. I'm thinking condensed milk, but correct me if I'm wrong. Ginger mint, you know, you can't be without ginger mint tea in your cupboard, and it was out. And then I got this Mountain Peak ginger tea. I couldn't find the powder one I always buy, but anyhow, I got this, and you just add water and you get that lovely ginger tea. My son drinks a lot of ginger tea. I love ginger tea, so yep, here's another one of my Solomon Gundy. And this, I found out later, this is not a Jamaican product, okay? Which is disappointing, but at the same time, it's premium mango chutney, and if you have all of that curry, you better have a good mango chutney to go with it. So I thought I would give this a try. I'll let you guys know how it goes. So these, again, I used to put in my kids' lunch pan. Butterkist coconut cookies with a little parrot. If you know this stuff, you know, because this right here is an excellent cookie, okay? And the only thing better than that is the butter one. Tell me if you have had this, you guys. And if you haven't, if you go to Jamaica, be on the lookout for it. See, no trans fat, crunchy, delicious. Let me tell you, this is a product that you have to try if you haven't tried it already. And if you have, then know your mouth of water right now. And last but not least, I keep telling my children that when we went to school, we used to eat Asham. And we used to, it's this powder, see? It's just a corn powder. And it says it has 110 calories in like a quarter cup. But you don't really eat a quarter cup. You just put a little in your hand middle. This is how we used to eat it at school. And I'm going to show them, right? You know, you want your children to experience the things that you experienced as a child, just so that they get the feel and the vibe, and they kind of know what you did. So I had to come pick up some of this Asham. And yeah, that's the end of my haul. But I'm quite proud of it because it's a little taste of Jamaica for my kids. So, and there you get to see I'm back here in Canada, and it's a lovely time of year. It's raining, yes, but my plants are loving it. I really am a little like a plant lady, but look at that rose bush as well. This is really pretty. So I hope you enjoyed my little taste of Jamaica, and a lot more is coming, but that's going to be footage on the ground. And I tried to capture everything. Like usually I take more pictures than I do, and this time it's the other way around. I hardly have any pictures. So yeah, had a late night last night. Forgive me if I'm looking a little bit worn for the wear, but I am having a good time sharing this with you. So see you in the next video, and one love. Share, subscribe, like, comment. You know the thing. All right? God bless.